I ordered a whole jackhammer from Shein. Yes, you heard me right. From Shein. And guess what? They did not disappoint. So come on to do a unboxing with me. Alright. First, let me see. Alright. So let's see how it's going. Listen, come on. Boy. So here we go. So here we go. The packaging solid. So I'm gonna show you what it entails. The packaging very neat. It's actually 18.2 pounds heavy, and I paid under $100 for this on Shein. So things it came with: a manual, 2 gloves. This is a mask. Over your face like this, and this is a protective goggles. You know, I do it like that. Swear to God, I don't know what this for. Maybe if I pull something. And this is and a little jar with oil to grease it. So this here is the chisel. You have a flat mouth and you have a pointed little bit chisel, whatever. All right, so let's do the reveal of the jackhammer. It is pretty heavy, as you can see. It's 18.2 pounds heavy. This is what it looks like. Why? Here you go. And when Shein said it's a small one, I didn't expect it to be this heavy. So this is what it looks like. Heavy, no? So Shein did not disappoint. If you're interested in getting something like this, I'm going to pin the code on screen. And it didn't cost much to clear from my shipping company because I paid less than $100 for this. A lot of people don't know that Shein sells outdoor items, tools, and equipment, appliances that actually work as well. So I'm going to put the code on screen. If you're interested in getting one, go ahead and grab yours. It's perfect if you're a owner and you're gonna do construction on your house, and instead of going to rent one, you can grab one on Shein, just like I did, because we don't know jackhammer cheap for rent, so why not grab one for yourself? All right, also feel free to check out my codes, because on a clothes alone Shein sell, so I'm just a company here just for showing. All right.